Hello, I am Mitch.
And I am Callum, and welcome to our quality assurance presentation.
Today we'll be talking about quality assurance.
Quality assurance is the process of making sure a product is fit for purpose. It does this by preventing a product from having excess or a lack of planned features. It also attempts to identify and reduce inefficiencies, ensuring a lower and cheaper development cost. We use quality assurance strategies conceptualized at the start of each project to help plan out any future quality assurance. We will also be touching on some quality assurance strategies later on in this presentation.
There are some important quality planning terms used that we first wish to go over. The first one is called gold plating. This refers to adding in extra unnecessary features for the consumer that add no extra value to the product. Then we also have marginal analysis. This is where the cost of implementing a new feature is roughly equal to its return value. This means projects wish to stay under the marginal analysis. Kaizen is a methodology in work improvement. This is an attempt to reduce inefficiencies and thus development costs, and increase overall workflow. Lastly, we have the ISO 9000. This is a base strategy guide to help with quality assurance and is used at the start of projects.
Quality assurance is not the same as quality control. Quality assurance strives to validate that a project is maintaining its quality level throughout the development, making sure we avoid any gold plating and stay below the marginal analysis. Quality control, however, is the testing of the project to find its defects and eliminate them by inspecting the functionality of the project.
Quality planning is the first stage of measuring the quality of your project. In this stage, you create your quality assurance plan using benchmarking and statistical sampling to create quality metrics and checklists that are to be used in quality assurance. With performing quality assurance, designated teams will perform quality assurance audits of the system. This will include testing of all systems in the project to ensure they are running efficiently. After the first two steps, we will then perform the quality verification. Here, inspections will be made, histograms and charts created. All of this is to make quality control measurements.
Some of the tools that are used in quality planning are cost-benefit analysis, cost of quality, control charts, benchmarking, and flowcharts. The tools and techniques used to perform quality assurance were mentioned in the other slide. These are performing audits and analyzing the project systems for any issues. Lastly, for when you perform quality control, you can approve change requests, perform inspections, create run charts, and/or histograms.
If any inefficiencies are not found early on during the development process, this can have a butterfly-like effect that balloons out as the project developed, increasing overall costs as depicted in the slide. Thus, it is important to identify any early inefficiencies using quality assurance strategies to ensure unneeded costs are kept as low as possible.
Quality management systems, or QMS, are used to help ensure the product meets all of the customer's expectations. It will be used to demonstrate effectiveness and efficiency of the product. To set up a QMS, we must go through a series of different steps. In design and build, we design and build the structure of our QMS and how it is going to be implemented. This will come from organization's fundamental processes and goals. Control is based on the complexity of the organization. Ideally, local control is best. ISO-based systems, along with reviews and audits, are essential for helping with the control process. These are essential even with central reviews. Development is how the QMS is going to be implemented. These can be broken down into smaller packages to make implementation easier. Measurement is used to measure how effective and efficient each process is at obtaining their intended objectives. Review handles the process of checking how good our QMS is. Reviewing the QMS should always happen regardless of how effective it was. Improvement goes over what was reviewed and attempts to find ways to better improve the process for the next QMS. These were the key points that we discussed in this presentation.
These key points are: what is quality assurance, terms used in quality planning, managing quality, tools and techniques used, quality assurance strategies, and quality management systems.
That concludes the presentation. Thank you for listening.